Hi, I'm Melissa Mueller-Douglas, CEO of MYRetreat, where I help companies with team building using chocolate, not trust falls. Time and again, companies reach out to me sharing that their people are experiencing stress, burnout, and not prioritizing their own well-being. Our solution to this is the Chocolate Mindfulness Wellness Workshop for fully remote and hybrid teams. We help people to decrease stress, feel rejuvenated, and connect over quality chocolates. The MyRetreat model is comprised of 4 elements: intention setting, guided imagery, of course, eating chocolate mindfully, and gratitude journaling. Typically, companies select one of our 3 most popular intentions: to be supported, to be relaxed, or to be innovative. However, you can decide an intention that resonates most with your company's culture. Chocolates can be selected from any one of our current chocolate sponsors. And a gratitude journaling word is selected using one word where you identify a person, place, or thing that you're grateful for using each of the letters in that word. So if the intention is to be innovative, the gratitude journaling word might be innovate. So we begin by identifying a person, place, or thing that you're each grateful for that begins with the letter I. Here's where you come in. Take a moment to consider what your people need out of this workshop. What is your team experiencing? What change is needed? And what do you need to prioritize? Then we'll customize the workshop together, starting with what your intention is, which chocolates you want to use, whether it's all chocolates or just one chocolate to be sent to each participant. You choose if you want this to be held virtually on Zoom or in person at your location or ours. And then you select that one gratitude journaling word, and that's it. Next steps, we send you the MyRetreat agreement, a QuickBooks invoice, and at the end of the workshop, we'll provide all of your employees with a wellness resource guide for continued practices and resources to promote well-being at work and at home, as well as have them complete a very brief post-workshop survey, which includes a question for them to share anonymously with you how this workshop impacted their perception of your company. Now, here are the ways for us to get in touch so we can work together. I look forward to hearing from you. Until then, take good care.